back to you. You crossed the line, and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I'll react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work.
Question. The main reason I don't have sound deadening material is back when we were all buying sound foam and stuff. Of course, Marco bought the swirly one that he was just telling you about, and I'm like, oh, I should get that same swirly stuff Marco got. And I went to the webpage where they sell it, and it was $60. And my interpretation.
Today's forecast for Toronto is -12 degrees and partly cloudy. There is currently an extreme cold warning in effect.